The tweets of birds. The tweets of birds now stopped. There's silence and silence here. How can we pass our days now without the tweets of birds? How can we awake without the other heavenly sounds in the morn? Is it now night? Is it a dark time? As the birds are asleep now, hey, you all, get up, get up all, stand together to bring the birds, to bring the tweets, stand together to bring our birds. As this planet becomes heaven with heavenly tweets, and our heart fills with love in a lovely morning. Thank you.